How to set password on iPhone gallery. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to lock your iPhone Photos app, that is your iPhone gallery, with a password or Face ID for added privacy. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to your app library and search for shortcuts. So this is a built-in application. You can find it in your app gallery. So simply click on it. And once you're in your shortcuts, you got to click on this plus icon at the top right. And here you got to rename the shortcut and rename it something like photos. So simply type in photos and then click done. So you got to click on search action, and then here you got to type down ask for. And now this basically asks for input. Now I want my input to be a pin. You can make it be a text or whatever you want. Right now I want it to be a number, so I'm going to write down ask for number, and you're going to type down what the prompt should be. So I want the prompt to be pin, so you're going to type down pin over here. I'm going to make it capital, so just pin. So ask for a number with pin. Now you're going to write down a conditional statement if like this is the specific number. So just click on search actions again and then type in if. So you got to type down a conditional statement. So if asks for input, and make sure it's is over here, and then you got to type down the number over here. So I'm going to type down 1 2 3 4 and then click on done. You can set any pin you want. And then you got to click on search actions again, and here you got to type down open this time. Here you got to click on open app. So once you click on that, you got to click on app over here and then type in photos. And then you got to click on photos, and you can, drag this. You can long press on this one and drag this on the third number. And once done, you can just have a look. It is ask for number with pin if ask for input is this specific pin, and then you got to open photos. Once done, you can simply click on done. And here you got to click on these three dots. And after that, you're going to click on this over here, that is the share icon. So once you do so, you'll be able to see an option that says add to home screen. So simply click on that. And here you can, either customize the shortcut, or you can also make it your photos icon. And if you wish to choose a photo, so you can simply go to Safari and download the PNG of the photos gallery icon. So I'm going to head over to Safari, and then you can type down iPhone gallery logo PNG, and now this is basically the official logo of the iPhone gallery. So you can simply click on it and then you can download it. So once you click on that, you can long press on it, and after that you're going to click on save to photos. And once done, you can head over to this over here again, click on choose photo and select that specific picture. So this was a picture that I downloaded, so you're going to click on choose, and after that simply click on add. And now you can see that the Photos shortcut app has been created over here. So once you click on this, they will ask you for a pin. For example, I'm going to type down the pin over here. And after that, you're going to click on done. And here you can see that you have been redirected to the iPhone gallery after you type down the password. So that is basically how you can set password on iPhone gallery. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.